Hello and welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'm pleased to present to you this new stock Audi RS3 Sportback Carbon Black 400 PS S-Tronic. The vehicle is finished in Audi's colour Daytona Grey, which is a pearl effect paint. This particular vehicle also comes with Audi's technology pack, including darkened matrix LED headlights with dynamic light and dynamic turn signals, along with powered front seats with memory feature for the driver. The vehicle also comes with Audi's panoramic glass sunroof. The vehicle comes equipped with the 10 cross spoke silk matte grey alloy design, which are 19 inches in diameter. Moving around the rear of the vehicle, we can see the carbon black rear diffuser along with the black exhaust tips. You can also see that the vehicle has the LED rear tail lights. The tailgate on the vehicle is manually operated and reveals a 280 litre boot capacity, which can be further extended when the rear seats are folded flat. The rear seats can be folded in a 40-20-40 configuration. Moving now around the side of the vehicle, where we can see the carbon roof spoiler and also the black design package. We then move into the rear interior, where the rear seat bench holds space for 3 passengers, finished in a black leather material with red contrast Audi Sport stitching. We now move around to the front of the vehicle, where we have the Audi Sport seats with the RS logo embossed into the leather. We also have the red contrast stitching. We can see the armrest finished with this same stitching, and the MMI touchscreen allows the driver access to the radio, multimedia, telephone including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also the navigation systems. When pressing back on the home button, it allows you to access the Amazon Alexa feature, along with the car features and the Audi exclusive to RS monitor. The vehicle also comes equipped with Audi's Drive Select, allowing the driver to choose between efficiency, auto, dynamic, and exclusive to RS individual, RS Performance, and on the RS3, the RS Torque rear mode. Just below the MMI touchscreen is the climate control and air conditioning. This allows the driver to adjust this manually by clicking the button. It also houses the driver's heated seat button and also the passenger heated seat button. The vehicle is also equipped with Audi's virtual cockpit, allowing the driver access to the onboard car computers, along with the navigation, media and telephone systems. These can all be customised to your settings and preference by the buttons either side of the flat bottom, flat top Audi RS steering wheel. This steering wheel also comes with the race button and the Audi RS Mode button, which can be configured to your liking. That will now conclude today's video of our new stock Audi RS3 Sportback Carbon Black. If you do have any questions on this vehicle, please feel free to contact a member of our sales team. Once again, thank you for choosing Stafford Audi.